Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. Today again we will see the further types of pronouns. In previous classes we have already studied about the demonstrative, distributive and interrogative pronouns. Now moving on to the next pronoun, that is relative. What is the meaning of relative? Relative means that is something relate to, किसी से संबंधित. Okay, so what is the definition of relative pronoun? The pronouns which relate to WH family are called relative pronouns. That is also used as relative pronouns. Okay, so they relate to the nouns they are describing. Relative pronouns वो pronouns जो किसी नाउन से रिलेटेड किसी भी बात को या उस नाउन को दूसरे सेंटेंसेस से जोड़ते हैं. ओके, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. ही इज़ द मैन हु केम टू. नाउ डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज बिकॉज इसमें भी हु वर्ड का यूज़ हुआ है एंड यू हैव ऑलरेडी हैव इन योर माइंड दैट हु इज़ an interrogative pronoun. But in interrogative sentences and interrogative pronouns, who is the subject here? Okay, who is the subject here? And who is placed at the first place? But in relative pronoun, who is not a subject here, as he is the man who came to. यहाँ पे क्या बोला जा रहा है कि ये वही आदमी है जो आया. He is the man who came to my house yesterday. ये वही आदमी है जो मेरे घर कल आया था. तो here he is the subject, but the word who is describing the noun he and also relating another words to the subject. As like another words क्या है? He is the man. पहले तो ये वही इंसान है जो कल घर आया था मेरे. तो जो मेरे घर कल आया था, the other words that is came to my house yesterday is related to the subject that is he. Okay, so in this sentence, who is working as a relative pronoun because who is what ये क्या काम कर रहा है? This word is working as to join these two sentences, as to relate the other words to the subject. Okay, so he is the man who came to my house yesterday. ये वही व्यक्ति है जो कल मेरे घर आया था. The shirt that I bought yesterday is dirty. Now here again that. In demonstrative pronoun we also used that word. Do you remember? Yes. So don't get confused. वहाँ पे that word क्या है? वो एक subject की तरह work करता है. लेकिन in relative pronoun that is not working as a subject. In this sentence, the shirt that I bought yesterday is dirty. यहाँ पे that word subject नहीं है बल्कि subject क्या है? shirt है. लेकिन इस shirt को वो दूसरे sentences से relate कर रहा है और दूसरे sentences को noun से relate कर रहा है. ये वही shirt है. The shirt that I bought yesterday is dirty. जो shirt मैंने कल खरीदी थी वो डर्टी है या गंदी है. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से ऐसे सेंटेंसेस जिसमें WH वर्ड्स एज लाइक हु, विच, वेयर, whom, whose have come and works as a word to relate the other words to the noun are called relative pronouns. ठीक है, और WH के अलावा भी that वर्ड का भी यूज़ होता है रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस की तरह, जैसे कि इस सेंटेंस में है द शर्ट दैट आई बॉट यस्टरडे इज डर्टी। वो शर्ट जो मैंने कल खरीदा था वो गंदी है, वो डर्टी है। ठीक है। शी इज़ द न्यू प्रेजिडेंट whom everyone loves to hate। ये न्यू प्रेजिडेंट है जिसको कि सारे ही हेट करते हैं। तो हेयर शी इज़ द न्यू प्रेजिडेंट। What is the subject here? She। And whom word is working as a relative pronoun because this joins and this relates the other words to the subject, that is she. Okay. The match which lasted all day ended with a dinner party. Here again the word which is relating the other words to the noun. It is describing the noun. The match which lasted all day ended with a dinner party. Another example, she is the girl whose photo was in the newspaper. Here the subject is pronoun she, and the word whose joins the two words, that is she is the girl to photo was in the newspaper, which means whose word here is working as a relative pronoun because it relates the subject to the other word. The subject is the pronoun she. She is the girl whose photo was in the newspaper. ये वो लड़की है जिसकी फोटो न्यूज़पेपर में थी। Okay, which means the word whose here has been used as relative pronoun. Okay, I hope you have understood what is relative pronouns. Now take out your copy and make 5 sentences with relative pronoun. I'll see you next class. Thank you.